decided, dear? We have to start the wedding prep later. Should we lock December?
Zane's busy right now. He was saying next year.
Then why don't you decide, sweetheart? Just tell him these are the dates.
It's not like that, Auntie. I have to complete this project. It's not an option.
You really take us for granted, beta. Dia's dad has invested so much money in this project. We've always treated you like family. That's the least you can do for us.
You're not winning this one, Zane. By the way, Mom, could you send this package for me?
It got rejected, so big deal. I'll find another publisher.
You got this mail 3 days before you proposed to me. You don't think you should have discussed this? Here I'm taking extra classes to make this work, and what are you doing? Do you have any idea how suffocating
Come on, I'll
it is
just
to
stop
live with you?
overreacting, okay? When the funding for your app fell through, did I say anything?
That guy is
If you got
really...
that money, you wouldn't be making such a fuss, would you? Al, if you want to help me, then just do it. Don't make me feel so guilty about it.
The audacity.
What happened, Ma?
I'm so stuck, beta.
Toby. Toby,
Aw.
come on.
That's one cute cat.
You want some tea? I'm making some. No. Neetu was saying that Karan was moving back to his own house. Breaking off an
I really wish you
investment is a
break up
big
with
decision.
that guy. I mean,
I don't
Karan,
feel
he's really...
It's not about you, Dad. Karan and you have the same problem. You don't care about anyone but yourselves.
So have you come here to fight with me as well? I'm just asking you.
I just don't want to end up like Ma, that's all I know.
I'm the good mother and I'm left here being the bad father.
It was your fault, just accept it. Maybe you didn't notice, but she felt stuck here. How many times Chachu asked you to come back to Mumbai? To come back to the business again?
Why? As if people don't live in Nasik. Don't children grow up here? Chachu.
When Tia was in the US, what was I doing? Working in a damn office. I was always busy calling your friends at 2 in the morning to find out whether you were dead or alive. When you needed it the most, I was a mother to you. And I wish you were a good father to me just once.
I was wondering, how long would it take to return Tia's investment?
It's a huge amount. What's the big hurry?
We have to someday.
Okay. Let me check with the accounts team.
It's not that I hate him, it's just I have to move on. We just want different things from life.
You've been together for so long.
That's the right thing to
You're gonna
do.
leave it all behind?
That's not enough of a reason to stay on with someone.
Exactly. If he's not the right fit.
So, what do you want to do?
Thank you.
Zane? What are you doing here?
Nothing, just thought I'll take my interns out for lunch. Hey,
Al and I were just talking about Karan.
cool. I'll see you guys later.
Yeah, I already knew she'd be meeting her here.
Okay, listen, I did something terrible. You weren't answering your calls and Karan really wants to meet you, so...
Oh no.
Just meet him once,
Tia, ask him to leave.
Al.
Please.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the right thing to do. I'm glad she did that.
Aisha, I know you've blocked me and I don't know if you'll ever get to hear this, but there's something I have to say. I wish we could have met under different circumstances. Because I love you. And I know it could have been something. I'm glad you came. I've been thinking about us. That's all I've been doing, nothing else. And when I found out you were leaving Karan, I just knew I had to call you.
I left Karan because it wasn't working, not because of you.
I've made up my mind to. I'm gonna leave Tia.
Yeah, that's why he wanted to like
It's been dead with her.
return the capital to
And
her
returning her
family.
dad's investment. It's just a matter
Yeah.
of 6 months, and then it's just us.
I don't want to get hurt again.
You won't.
But other people will. And you know it's complicated.
Yeah, maybe they will, but none of this will matter 10 years from now.
I've signed the papers. They're on the table.
Great. You know, I was thinking, let's find you a new apartment while you're here.
Let the app get launched first. Your company's already invested so much money in the yoga studio as it is.
The yoga studio is a company asset, Al.
So what are we now? Partners?
Equity and otherwise.
Hi guys,
Hey guys,
please bear with us.
because we can't control our excitement.
It's our
Third
third
anniversary.
anniversary and it won't be a party without you.
So be there on the 24th,
At 6
6
p.m.
p.m. What? Alicia, I didn't want to upset you, that's all. Anyway,
The CFO of Ridgeford Capital, Bijoy Sen, was arrested this morning by the ED for money laundering. After
Oh,
questioning
no.
him for 8
That's
hours,
their
the ED
partner,
said that
right?
Bijoy Sen had been caught giving loans illegally to quite a few real estate companies.
There could be a forensic audit. We need to fix the books ASAP.
evaluation gap?
65 crores?
How to fix this? How to fix this? Tropical Realty's next installment?
Not for another 4 months. Phew. Wow.
Zain will be so happy to see you. Let me find him. Zain?
Oh, she did come after all.
Zain? Look who's
Oh, it could be because the result of the pregnancy
Sure, long
test
time.
was positive,
Jitesh,
and
Zain's
she
business
couldn't
partner,
wait to
Alicia,
tell
my
him.
cousin.
Nice to meet you.
Can you keep
I
this?
mean, how could she not foresee something like this happening?
I'm gonna get myself a drink.
I'll come with you.
You're good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously she wants to say something to him.
He seemed a little off. Is something wrong?
It's getting more and more complicated. Oh no.
Sorry I couldn't take your call. Is everything okay?
No,
I'm pregnant.
I knew it.
Did you take the test?
Tia wants to help. How?
She's agreed to mortgage the beach house.
The Alibag Beach House.
6 months. Will it be enough?
Let's get it evaluated.
That's really supportive of her. Yeah, she's really a good person and a good girlfriend.
Hi.
Hi. All good?
I've been trying to call you. I got the sonography report today.
Yeah, okay.
Are you busy?
No, just the clients. Some meetings came up at the last minute. So, anyway, what did the gynac say?
Thursday, 4 o'clock is the appointment she's given. You'll come, right?
Sure, I'll be there.
So she's planning on keeping. Yeah. But what will they do?
Breaking news. Ridgeford Capital's Bijoy Sen was arrested by the ED a few days ago for giving out bad loans.
Think of a different strategy.
Now his case is being handed over to the CBI. Big names like Sunrise Properties, MSD Group, and Nexus Realty are now on the ED's watch list.
Yeah, he is preoccupied
Tropical
in
Realty
a
was talking
dire
about investing in
situation
phase
right
two.
now.
We should talk to them.
We haven't even delivered 3 villas from phase 1 and you want to ask for
We've
more
given
money?
them 11, right?
And how are you going to do that?
We're not asking for charity, it's an investment.
Did she end up going to the appointment? She must have. Yeah. And he's not taking her calls now.
You finally found the time to call me back?
I was busy with work, obviously. What did the gynae say?
I didn't go for the appointment.
Huh? Why?
Because we were supposed to go together, Zane. And you cancelled at the last moment.
Came up.
Something always comes up, Zane. So what did the doctor say?
The doctor's number which you had given me, I spoke to him and got an appointment for Friday morning.
Yeah, don't delay it. When are you coming?
Thursday evening? If there's some problem, then...
Why should there be a problem, Dad?
Tell madam to come and see us at the office.
But
You're not
how
allowed
can you
to go
just...
in.
How can you
Can't
do
understand
this?
what I'm saying?
Bhakti, what's going
Savant,
on?
help him seal the place. Come on, hurry up.
What's wrong, sir?
Savant, hand the notice to madam. Hand it over.
What?
And I want you to put the other notice on
Notice
the door.
for what?
That's
Both
her
documents
studio,
over.
right?
What is this notice for,
Come
though?
on, hurry up,
I
Savant.
don't...
How long is it going to take you?
They closed her studio.
Why are you here?
Why aren't you taking my calls, Zane?
This is my office. What are you doing here?
What is this?
What is it?
Some men showed up at the office today. They've sealed the studio.
It's a show cause notice. Let me check.
What? Is there something illegal?
I'll just go talk to my team.
It says fraud.
Al, there's nothing like that, okay?
Then what is this notice all about?
I know there have been some complications, but there's nothing illegal about this.
My studio has been
My
sealed,
studio.
Zane.
I made an investment too, right? These things happen. You have to get
You
used
said
to it.
we'll do this together, and now I have to call you 10 times to get one reply.
Or what? You'll just barge into my office.
No. Next time I'll go straight to Tia.
Bullshit.
Oh, yeah?
The mortgage is just for 1 year, right?
Are you not okay with it?
No, it's nothing like that.
See, I'm sure we'll get the beach house back in 1 year.
It's just that we went through a whole lot of trouble to sort this out.
I get it.
You're sure it's just a year, Zane?
Of course.
She's fully trusting him, which is sad. He's just buying
Zane,
time,
I had
sending
a
her
word
these
with her.
messages. I don't think that he has the solution.
She told me
Her
that we should show the
situation.
papers to our lawyers. I'll mail them when we go back. That's okay, right?
Yeah, you should be okay with that if you had nothing to. Did he do that for real? Or is he imagining? No, there's no way that he really did that. Oh yeah,
Okay.
I knew it.
Yeah.
Why would you even imagine doing that?
Everything's been piling up, and I've been getting a bit anxious, so. And the way we keep fighting all the time. I hate it.
Me too, of course. We just don't seem to be getting any time to
Yeah,
be
you're
together. And please, don't worry about the studio. I'll do whatever it takes to sort it.
You messed up big time. In more ways than one.
Zane, sit. I want to talk to you about something. Zane,
Should we go out for lunch? Just you and me?
stop it. Are you having an affair?
What?
She finally,
Why are you laughing? What's so funny?
is she finally
This is
suspecting
funny.
Am
him?
I laughing?
No, but...
Does this look like a joke to you?
Yeah.
Who's this contractor?
Contractor is a contractor.
Then why do you get so many calls from that number?
So now you want me to sit down and explain my work?
Why does he call you at 3 in the morning, huh? FaceTime calls, video calls.
Okay.
Pick it up.
I'm sorry.
Zane, pick it up.
I know.
Your contractor must be calling.
I haven't
Zane,
spent
pick
any
it
time
up or
with
I'm
you.
going to pick it up.
What is wrong with you, man? What the hell has
What's
happened to
wrong
you?
with me?
Jitesh is calling me, okay? You just...
For 2 months you've been saying
You're-
I'm
you're
busy,
out
I'm
of your
busy.
mind.
And now when you need my help, you're not busy anymore.
I need your help?
No.
You said you wanted to help. You are the one who said I should take 2 days off. I'm doing it for us, right?
No, you're
I'm doing
not.
it for us.
You're not.
She's finally waking up.
I can't do this anymore.
What?
I'm done.
Good for you.
I'm done.
Good
Pick
for
up the
you.
fucking ring. Pick it up.
Good for you.
What is happening to...
I mean, it's obvious.
Tia?
I'm glad she doesn't choose to doubt herself or her instinct
You wanted to check the phone, right?
or her
Here you go.
intelligence.
Hello, Zain. Hello.
Jitesh.
Yeah, well, I don't think that's gonna work.
Fuck.
But I don't think she would imagine that it's her cousin. It's just sad.
Let's end this drama. Take it.
I don't want it.
Take it. And just check it properly.
He changed it back or deleted the number. He changed it. Yeah.
Yes, Zain bhai, tell me. Hello? Hello, Zain bhai, I'm not able to hear you.
Happy? Are you done? Don't do me any favors, please. Your mom, your lawyers, you, Tia. Treat me like an outsider.
Zane,
And you know what makes me sick? That you don't trust me. You wanna call it off, right? Let's call it off. Let's end it. I
That's
can't
so
do this.
manipulative.
Alicia! Alicia! Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Great to see you, huh?
Yeah,
You look good.
thank you. You too.
What are you doing here?
I was just had some work here. I'm going home now.
If you're free, then we can go for a coffee. Something.
Sure.
Why? What do you
I
hope
said
to
2 months,
achieve
yeah.
by meeting him?
you know I didn't mean it. Zane.
How's work?
Good. It's going okay. What about your book?
It's going well. Still some work to do.
Are you still working from Alibag?
I don't know if Tia told you about what's going on with the beach house.
What?
They're mortgaging it. Zane's company's been having some financial issues. She's helping him out. That's why they both went to Alibag this weekend to sort it out.
I trust you.
Don't.
You know I'll do anything for you. I love you.
If anything, now he's gonna get her to do
I just-
more
I
for
just won't
him.
Get your medicine.
No, he'll bring it. It's fine.
Who knows when he'll bring it?
Are you sure?
Yeah.